Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the grammar topic nouns number. This topic is the continuation of fourth topic nouns. Got it? Nouns have two numbers, the singular number and the plural number. Let's see the definition for these two numbers. Okay. Singular number. It refers to one person, animal, place or thing. For examples, boy, girl, cow, elephant, chair, table, country and park. Second one is plural number. It refers more than one person, animal, place or thing. For examples, boys, girls, cows, elephant, chairs, tables, countries and parks. These are the examples for plural number. Singular means refer only one. Plural means more than one. Got it? Next, let's see the rules for the change of numbers from singular to plural. Okay. Numerous rules are there to change the number from singular to plural. Let's see one by one. Okay. See the first rule. When we change a singular noun to a plural noun, we generally add s to the nouns. Singular nouns. Okay. We have to add the letter s at the end of the singular noun. Bat plus s, bats. In singular, ball, but in plural, balls. Cow, cows. Elephant, elephants. Chair, chairs. Okay. Next, see the second rule. If the nouns ending in hissing sound like is, sh, ch, x, okay, we have to add the letter es at the end of the singular noun. These are the singular nouns. Okay. We have to add the letter es at the end of the noun, singular noun. Bus plus es, buses. Next, glass, glasses. Wish, wishes. Church, churches. Fox, foxes. Okay. Look at the box here. Ox. The word, the noun, ox. This ox is a singular noun, but in plural we have to add en at the end of the singular noun. Ox in singular, oxen is plural form. These are the exceptions. Okay. Next, third rule. If the noun ending in the letter O, we have to add es at the end of the singular noun. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Look at the box here. Photo, photos. Okay. Photos is the plural form of photo. And radios is the plural form of radio. These two nouns are end with the letter O, but you have to add only the letter s. Okay, if you add the letter es at the end of the singular noun here, it's wrong. Got it? Photo, photos. Radio, radios. This is the correct form. Next, see the fourth rule. If you are going to change the form singular to plural, you just change the letter f or fu into ves. If the noun ends with the letter f or fe, you just change the letter f into f or fe into ves. Got it? Leaf, leaves. Calf, calves. Half, halves. Life, lives. Look at the box. You must remember the rules. Okay, these are the exceptions. Chief, chiefs. Hoof, hoofs. Roof, roofs. Proof, proofs. These words are also ends with the letter F, but you just add the letter S at the end of the singular noun. Chief plus S, chiefs. Hoof plus S, hooves. If you add the letter VES at the end of the noun, it's wrong. Chief, CHIEVES, is it right? No, it's wrong. Okay, so you just add the letter S. These are the exceptions. You must remember these rules. Got it? See the next rule, fifth one. If the singular noun ends with the letter Y and the consonants comes before the letter Y, you have to change Y into IES. Got it? Consonant plus Y is a hint in this rule. Okay, if the word ends with consonant plus Y, you just turn Y into IES. Got it? Army, armies. Look at the letter here, M. M is a consonant. Here also V is a consonant, D is a consonant, and B also a consonant. So army, armies. Navy, navies. Body, bodies. Baby, babies. Next, look at the rule, sixth rule. Same, both are same, but here consonant plus Y, here vowels plus Y. Vowels, how many vowels are there in English alphabets? Totally 5. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, if the noun ends with the vowel plus Y, you just add S to the singular nouns. Boy, toy, monkey, valley. Look at the word boy. O is a vowel. Here also O is a vowel, E is a vowel, E is a vowel. Boy plus S, boys. Toy plus S, toys. Monkey plus S, monkeys. Valley plus S, valleys. Got it? Look at this page here. There is no rules for changing the number singular to plural nouns. Got it? See the first one. If you want to change the singular to plural noun, you just adding suffixes. Okay, suffixes means last. You have to add some letter at the end of the singular noun. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Got it? Here there is no rule. Okay, second one. If you want to change the number singular to plural, you just changing the middle vowel of the word. Middle vowel. Double O. O is the vowel, right? So you have to change the middle vowel from singular to plural. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Woman, woman. Got it? Next, third one. You do not change anything for this rule. In singular, sheep. In plural also, same word, sheep. Got it? Same singular and plural form. In this rule, if you want to know the given noun is a singular or plural, first you have to understand the given sentence. Okay. The child wanted to see a deer. When he went to the zoo, he saw many deer. In these two sentences, the word deer is used, right? But here the word deer is used as a singular sense. In this sentence, the word deer is used as a plural meaning. Got it? In this sentence, ship is used as a plural sense. Here, ship is used as a singular sense, because here in this sentence, the clue word several is having. Okay, so this sentence is plural. A sheep. The noun sheep is a plural. Here, sheep is a singular noun. Okay. Next, here also the clue word many is refer plural noun. Fish is a plural noun. Here, fish is a singular noun. Got it? But sometimes we use as fishes in some sentences. Look at the example. We saw many kinds of fishes in the pond. Here, fishes suggest different varieties of fish. Okay. So, here the noun fishes used as a plural sense. Got it? Similarly, fruit is used in the singular. Example, we should have fruit with breakfast every day. Here we use fruits when we mean different varieties of fruits. Got it? One more example for you. Different types of fruits are available in winter. Here fruits is refer different varieties of fruits. Okay. Next, see the fourth rule. There are some nouns which have only plural form. Here, these nouns have no singular form. Okay. Trousers, spectacles, jeans, scissors, clothes. Look at the example. The trousers do not fit you. Scissors are sharp, so handle them carefully. The clothes are bought from Jaipur. Next, see the fifth rule. There are some nouns which have only singular form. These are the used as a only plural form. Here these examples are used as only singular form. Furniture, news, informations. Okay. Look at the example. The furniture was bought from this store. Here we use a singular verb, not plural, because the word furniture is a singular form. Here also information is a singular. So we used here singular verb. Got it? This topic is over. In this topic you have a lot of rules. Okay, you must memorize these all rules for know how to change the noun singular to plural. Okay, thank you.